It's very new to them, the whole process, but what they did was listen to you really carefully, and even though it's very different, they were generally very happy and confident to go with you and just follow the process, even though they didn't know what was going to come out at the end.
Teacher pobl eraill fel teacher a teacher efo pawb.
Dwi'n enjoyo fel siarad efo pawb, dod i'n nabod pobl yn well heddiw.
Os ti'n mynd nabod ffrindiau chdi dda, ti'n methu siarad efo nhw.
Dwi wedi sylwi bod nhw'n bach mwy hapus heddiw.
Dwi'n meddwl mae'n really cool. Helpu chdi bod yn hapus.
At times when they are very stressed a lot of the time, and there's a lot of pressure on them, and I think to have that little quiet moment, it's like a little reserve, isn't it, that you can go back to, and I think you can find that again, and they'll remember each other in that as well, I think, very much.